Thank you for having purchased iScribe. This is an audio video user manual. Once you want to play back the file, you can go to the view, and on the left hand side you can see the files which are already saved. You can choose any one of the file which is saved. Choose the page number which you want to play it back, and you can go and then click on play. And the speed you can choose the way you want. Let's say here we have chosen a fast, and then the whole file is played back the sequence in which you have written it. Same way you can choose the page number 2, and you can choose a play, you can choose slow or fast, and it plays, and you can stop while you are playing it also.